Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create an OpenAI account. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to search on Google OpenAI sign up, hit enter, and then you need to click on that. So it will take few seconds. So I'm going to use a temp mail to create an account because I do not want to use my own email address. So let me copy email address from here. Let me remove that. Click on copy, paste it here, hit continue, enter password. So let me enter the strong password. Click on continue. So let me change temporary email because it is already used. Click on copy, paste that here again. Let me refresh it. So let me paste a new one. Hit continue, enter password, click on continue. So it will redirect you to the next page. So here you can receive an email to verify your account. Click on verify email address and enter your first name, enter your last name, organization. So I'm going to add XYZ Corp. Enter your birthday. So that is 1995, for example. Click on continue, and here you need to verify your number by sending a code. Once you've done that, your account will be created. So this is the process by which you can create an account, an OpenAI account. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.